Brighten up your day with LX610E Pro Color Label Printer. Thanks to this incredible 2-in-1 desktop printer, now you can print and cut your own sticker labels, and it brings satisfaction like never before. Instead of being stuck with outsourcing and manually cutting your labels, why not make it switch? LX610E is here to help. It has a built-in digital cutter and lets you print and cut labels without investing too much on dies. And this lets you print any shape that you want. With a lot of materials to choose from, you can maximize your creativity by personalizing your designs, making your unique and colorful ideas come to life. You can even print 1 or 2 labels at a time, and your problems are solved. No more stocking unused labels and waiting for opportunity to use them. Just print what you need and you're good to go. LX610E Pro Color Label Printer will bring the best out of your business. Don't miss this opportunity. Purchase yours now and bring joy to your customers. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit our website at www.labelgraph.com.